Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long, but I'm finally here back with another video. A very happy CA day to all of you, and I am genuinely very happy to be addressing you all on behalf of Naukri, where Naukri celebrates CA Day. I just wanted to say before I show you the package which Naukri sent me that doesn't matter if you're a CA yet or not. Doesn't matter if you have just cleared your foundation or you're preparing for foundation. Doesn't matter how many attempts you have had in your intermediate and final. Doesn't matter if you're pursuing your articleship currently or not, or you're just delaying your attempt in the hope of getting better opportunities. You all are CAs at heart because you have that desire to become a CA one day, and I'm very sure that all of us, including me, we clear someday and we are rightfully celebrating CA Day. Even now, it doesn't matter if you're just an intermediate student or you're just a CA finalist. It doesn't matter. CA Day is for all of us dreamers who want to be who want to be CAs one day. And heartiest congratulations to all of you on behalf of Naukri and on behalf of me, CA Didi, on this special occasion. Most importantly, I would request you all to go through ICAI's Instagram page, and there the governors, the CM, and even our Prime Minister has given their heartfelt congratulations to the institute, as well as all the chartered accountants and the aspiring CAs. And it's a good day, it's a brilliant opportunity to connect with everyone, to celebrate the day all together, and maybe to also have that kind of a motivation that you want to be a CA one day. So, wholeheartedly, please celebrate this occasion. Now, let us talk about the PR package which Naukri sent me. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I receive a package which has my name, I am flattered. So this package has my name right here, Anshika Jaiswal. I desperately wanted it to be CA Didi, but it's okay. I have already opened it before because it had a lot of taping and a lot of protective layers on it. I just didn't want it to include in the video because it would have been a longer video then. So this is the first package. They sent two boxes in this one big box where they say Naukri celebrates CAs. I am really very excited to show you all because it's a very thoughtful gift. It's something which wins the hearts of CAs. So the first thing that I got when I opened this package is this cute customized card where they say, "Dear Anshika, in most group chats, one message always finds you, yaar, tax dekh lena." This CA day, we are flipping the ledger. Today is about you, the unsung superhero behind balance sheets, deadlines, and last minute audits. At Naukri, we know a world without CAs is equal to chaos, GST nightmares, payroll meltdowns, founders hyperventilating. So here's a little box of joy, not forms, just pure thanks to the ones who tally, highlight, deduct, and deliver. This is your credit side moment. Happy CA Day, Team Naukri. I'm telling you, this is the perfect blend of what every CA wants to hear and what every CA and CA aspirant, probably somebody who's in the practical field, who's living the audit life. And I'm telling you, this is a season going on right now, and this is the perfect gift which keeps me in the balance. Now, on the back side of this note, they have given whatever is in the package. The first thing is my favorite in the entire package, and it is this stress ball. On this stress ball, they've written audit relief tool, and I am telling you, I'm going to carry this to my office every single day because it's going to be very helpful, and I'm telling you, it's the most thoughtful gift anybody could have given me regarding CA. So thank you, Naukri, for this. Then they have given these super cute coasters, which I'm telling you, I'm going to use these every day because I am a chai fan. I drink tea almost every day. And they've given these cute coasters, and I'm going to use this with my roommate because my parents are not here, so I'm going to share this with my roommate. They say Naukri celebrates CAs, and on the back side of it, it's debit, credit, drink it, and then tally all day, tally all night. I'm telling you, this is like the perfect gift for CAs. It's like giving CA vibes. It's everything I wanted. Then they've given this beautiful luggage tag on which it says traveling no, just claiming LTA. And these cute lines for CAs which they have custom, like they've made custom, and they have made on a this like travel tag, your coasters, even the stress ball. It's very thoughtful and I honestly love it. Then they have given us a highlighter saying that to politely scream at errors without raising your voice. And as I said, it's the season. I feel it's genuinely very helpful, but since we work on laptops, so we just yellow highlight everything. So this I'll be using in my CA preparation. Then they've given us a mug in which they say for quietly sipping when they ask tax itna kyun hai. Now this is, it has tax Avenger written on it, and it is probably the best cup I will be using for my tea. Now the last thing in the PR package that they've given, it's, I think, the best gift you can give to a CA. It is a money plant for growing money trees, your specialty after all. Now see, इसकी ना बहुत ज़्यादा मिट्टी बाहर आ चुकी है, so I just cut it open like this. You can see the money plant, and I'm on the terrace of my PG. I'm going to plant this somewhere today only. It's the beautiful money plant, and I love gardening. I love plants. I love to keep a track of all of my plants and flowers, and this is by far the best PR package I've ever gotten from a brand. And thank you so much, Naukri, for giving all of these beautiful gifts, and especially on CA day. And even though I'm not a CA right now, getting these kind of packages really motivates me to go along in my journey. And I just want to say thankful. I just want to be grateful, and I'm just wanting to say I'm very thankful to Naukri for approaching me, and to all the fellow CAs who are preparing in their journeys and want to be CAs very soon. All the best to all of you. A very happy CA day to each one of you. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.